So welcome to part 3 of this class. We want to create this bottom part, which is address and contact. That's the part 3. So the next thing, we press Ctrl D, you drag it down, you triple click on this your address that you've copied before. You can just copy it again and paste it on the graphic designer. Okay, it did not carry the same thing, but there's a way to just make it carry. But since it did carry it, let's change this one to Campton book. Change the font size to 6. Then we break it down. Right? This is the address you'll be having. So we can still change it again to 4. Right? Let's use it 4. Or 5. Just use 5 to be safe. So you can use your shape tool to drag this place up. Shape tool. So make sure the writings are close to each other. Just drag it up a bit like this. Right? So when you got this, you can change the first address. Triple click on the address. Click on this yellow. You got it like that. Then you duplicate this again. Ctrl Z. Put it at the left hand side. Delete this. Then you come here and copy the phone number that you are seeing here. That's the phone number. You copy it, or you can just type it if you like. So you can just type the phone number because it's not changed. So you just type 23480, the phone number that you are seeing here. 34567890. So that's how you copy your phone number. Then you put your email address, info@suakindustries.com. Copy it. You come here, you press enter, and you press paste. So you see that it's entered, but it's not the same size. So we change our size now to 5. Touch pick tool and change the size to 5. Press enter. So that's, you can also do the same for the number. Put your this in front of it, copy the phone number, Ctrl C, put it in front of the address and press Ctrl V. You delete what you don't want, change it to white and reduce it to 5. Delete the one you don't want. So you change it to contact, right? Okay. Change it to contact here. Yeah. So since you've done these two like this and you want them to be on the same page, you drag it close to each other so that it will not encroach, right? So after doing that, you select this two and you press E, they will be centralized. You hold down shift and you touch the blue. You press C. No. Okay, I understand what happened. So you select the two, press Ctrl G to group it, or right click and group. You hold down the blue, hold down shift and touch the blue. So you select this one, hold down shift and touch the blue. Then you press C, it will automatically enter the middle. Same thing with this, you do it Ctrl G or group, hold down the blue, touch C to enter the middle. So after you're done with that, you ungroup it back, ungroup. So you've gotten what you're looking for. The next thing you want to create is this icon here, this icon that is looking down. So if you don't want to stress yourself to get it, just go online and type arrow. Okay, seems like we're not online. Seems like my data is down. Let me try and connect it quickly. Our data is off, so let me turn on my data. So since we don't want to stress ourselves so much, we fast through this route to get the icon very fast. We come here, let's touch the connect to it. So you type arrow icon, you see the arrow here. So choose the one that best suits you. So me, I'm going with this one. Then you just press copy image. You come to your CorelDRAW, you paste the image. The image will show like this. So we just trace bitmap, choose logo and continue. Press OK. The thing will come out like this. Then you just click on this. You see this turning around icon. So you turn it around. You turn it around like this. So it's like you do this, or you click on the tool and you come here and you press 45. Sorry, so that will be 90. No. Oh, now let's try 75. Okay, if that's not working, let's try it. Okay, it's 321. So you can come here and change it to 320. You get this shape, right? You reduce it. This is a cheaper way. They also learn it the hard way, but this is a smarter way to do it. Reduce it and you change it to white. You don't need to do any other thing except touching shape tool. Click on these 4 arrows and drag it down to they are equal. So with this you get your arrow. You don't have to draw it from scratch, so that you will not suffer. So I'll give you all the tools in your resource folder. So but for now, this is what we have. So we are done with the front of the design, right? So with that, we've come to the end of this first part of the design.